All right, quick note. When you are using AWS, it does cost money. So if you are not using your instances, it's good to not have them running. So first I'm going to show you how to kind of pause them. So you can go to instance state and then stop instance. All right. And you're not charged fees for it. But for example, the IP address that you have with it, you are charged for it. Make sure you're just reading up on AWS, and you can click stop, and then it'll stop them, and then you will be able to restart them afterwards. Okay. Once you stop them, obviously this won't work anymore because you can't use an instance that's not running. It's like turning your computer off and then trying to access files on it. You cannot do it. Okay. So you can also, if you are done with the assignment and you're not going to use these anymore, you can also click terminate these instances and then terminate them. Okay. In order to kind of clear out everything else, you'll need to just go through and undo everything that you did. Okay, so this says that we have one Elastic IP running, and I'm guessing that it is connected to, it's connected to our NAT gateway. So this is a good thing to remind us. So let's go ahead and head over to our VPC. So when you delete your EC2 instances, right, our bastion host and our public one, those both had Elastic IPs. When we deleted the instance, it also deleted the IP address. But the NAT gateway has an IP address and we haven't deleted that. So let's go ahead and delete VPC, and we can't because you'll see that we have all of these things that are being used in it. Our NAT gateway and another network interface. All right, so I'm then going to go to my NAT gateway, and I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to delete NAT gateway and confirm by clicking delete. All right, so now that is deleting. Let's go see what this one is. That's associated with the NAT gateway. So I'm assuming once our NAT gateway deletes, then it will, but we'll go ahead and check that. Let's go to our internet gateway and let's go ahead and delete that. Oh, I didn't want to detach it. I wanted to delete it, but maybe you have to detach before you delete. Oh, it's because it has mapped public IP addresses that need to be deleted first. All right, so we'll have to go find those. Let's check if our NAT gateway deleted, and it did. So let's go ahead and go to our Elastic IPs and refresh. That's still there, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it just in case that is attached. So let's release the IP address. Can't be released because it is associated with things. So this is why it's important to go through all of this, because it's not always clear what it's not always easy to just be like, oh, I want to delete everything. So this NAT gateway should be deleted. Maybe it just needs some time before. All right, so let's go to our route tables and let's delete the public and private routes and delete. And they have associations that cannot be deleted. So we'll have to delete our associations first. Action, edit subnet associations. Let's get rid of that association and save. So then now we should be able to delete it. And we can. Then let's go ahead and edit this route table. We're going to want to edit subnet associations, get rid of it, and then we should be able to delete. Perfect. Then let's go to our subnets. I'm going to select the subnets that we created, and I'm going to delete them. All right, then I'm going to go to my internet gateway and let's see if I can actions detach from VPC. All right, and then delete. All right, now let's go to our VPC. Let's see if we can delete the VPC yet or if something is still attached. And it looks like no. Looks like these security groups will also be detached or deleted, which I'm guessing are the security groups that we made for those instances. Elastic IP. See if we can release this yet. And we can, because that gateway must have gone away. All right, and so we should now have, yep, and we only have, let's see, route table, VPC, no matching. Curious if that route table will go away. I'm gonna come back and check on it. Well, I can delete it because it's not doing anything. Oh wait, did I delete the VPC yet? Yeah. Okay. So let's go to the route table. Let's get the one that's associated with the not found receipt one, and let's delete it. All right. I think it's because the VPC is just going to need longer. So I'll check back. But yeah, moral of the story is make sure you go through and delete everything that you created so you're not charged any money. All right. I'll see you soon.